Hello. So this is looking at day 4. So we are looking at making numbers 10 times larger. So let's look at number 1. Write a number that is 10 times larger than 100. So we can look at this a couple of ways. We can look at it as 100 times 10, which equals 1,000. We can also look at it as 100. And then if this is where the decimal is, we have times 10, which just has 1 0. So if we move the decimal over one place and add a 0, that also equals 1,000. So when you're multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1,000, you can just move the decimal by however many zeros there are. Okay? Write a number that is 10 times larger than 40. So we have 40 times 10, which equals 400. And number 3, write a number that is 10 times larger than 1,000. We can also look at this as writing out the number and just add a 0. And that gets us where we need to go. If it was times 100, we would add 2 zeros. If it was times 1,000, 100, 2 zeros. If it was times 1,000, we would add 3 zeros. Write a number that is 10 times larger than 500. So we have 500 times 10, which equals 5,000. Last one. Explain the relationship between the two 5s in the number 455 and 721 thousandths. So if we're looking at this 5 in the ones place and this 5 in the tens place, we can say that this 5 is 10 times larger than the 5 in the ones place.